All right, I think we're connected here. Let me just get myself situated. Chopstick on. I'll do my whole analysis and everything right now too, so you can watch all that. Give me a second. Running a little behind. Okay. I think I'm about ready here. So let me move a few things. All right. I think we're about good to go. Let me just change my background real quick. Okay, I think I'm about ready. Let's remove all my drawings from yesterday. Okay, then I need to do my top-down analysis. I should be able to get that done in 10 minutes or less. So we had news today. Hopefully volatility isn't disgusting. We have a zone right here that we haven't fully broke yet. Okay. Let's see the 1 hour. Oh shit. We at all-time highs? Oh, I think we are. Wow, I didn't even notice. That's crazy. Okay, let's keep it moving. Okay. Yeah, give me a second. Okay, let me mark out this zone. Oh, this one might be the more. Nah, let's stick with what we know. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, back. Sorry, my bad. I had to do something real quick. Okay, let me finish my top-down analysis here. So we're at all-time highs. We have our low, our high. I'll get another low drawn. I doubt we're gonna come down here. More likely won't. Just have it marked out just in case. There's 2 zones in there. Okay, let me extend these out real quick. We're almost done with our analysis. Okay, let me draw this out too. Okay, so we have that set on the 15-minute time frame. Now we got to get initial balance and that London high and low. Initial balance is the first hour open high and low from 8:30 to 9:30. So let's get that drawn real quick. Where's it? 8:30 is right here, so we would be here. 9:30 is over here. Okay. Now we need to do our London low and high is 3 to 8 o'clock. Let's find out where that is. I have to do it on the 1 minute time frame. So normally when London and the first hour high and low initial balance are very far apart, indicating that volatility is going to be unstable, or it means we're going to have bad price action for the day. It's also December too, so hopefully we have some good setups. More than likely, we're not going to get anything nice. Okay, 3 to 8. Oh man. All right, I didn't realize. Okay, let me see. 3 o'clock hits right here. Okay, so the low is over here. Let's fix that, make that more precise. And let's make our, oops. There it is. Okay, then let's get the high at 8 o'clock. Where are we at? Yeah, it's about over here. Okay, make that line there. Yeah, okay, and the last thing I need to do, or I have 2 more things I need to do. I need to get the swing from the high Let's make that red. Okay, and then I need to get the low. Let's make this green. Green. Okay, and I think we're done. We just gotta do the volatility lines and we're done. And by volatility lines, it's just my cutoff time and the times I trade. So like 9:40 is when I start taking trades. Let's put that there. There it is. And then I stop at 11. Oh, it won't let me do it. Let me do it on the 1 minute. There it is. We stop at 11 o'clock. I normally don't trade the afternoon, but just in case we find nothing or we're at break even on the day, I'll trade afternoon. Like yesterday, I had one loss, one win, so I traded afternoon, and I found a trade in afternoon. So I ended the day up 1R, meaning it's green with one trade. Okay. Okay, now we're all set. So let me show you the London. You see these blue lines right here and these orange lines? They're pretty far apart, indicating that we're gonna have bad price action today. I can kind of see my textbook setup. I'll just go over my setup right now too, just so you can get an idea of what we're looking for. It's super easy. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just get it all situated here. There it goes. So look, let me show you the setup. Let me get this picture pulled up. Give me 1 second. I have it here. Here it is. Let's let this load. Ah. Okay. So I call it NNT. It's super simple. We're looking for a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And if you look at the chart here, it's all these, look, I can turn into a line. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Just look at all these little lines. There's a lot of swing highs and lows on the lower time frame. I'm using the 5-second. Swing high, swing low. We're looking for a sweep. So we can show, I can show you examples shortly. So we're looking for a sweep. Then we create a zone with that swing high and swing low. We want to tap on the zone. And after the tap, we want to break a structure after the tap. It means that it breaks this high right here. Then we want price to reach 1 SCDV, meaning 100% away from the zone. So just two squares stacked on top of each other. And then we have our entry at 50%. We put our take profit in the line above, our stop 1 tick below. If we get more than 2 taps on the zone, we take our order off. If we get 2 taps or less, we keep our order on. So let me show you a real life example. Like, let's see right here. See a play. I'll draw it out for you too. So we see a sweep right here. Maybe if I can move the zone, you can see it better. Okay. Make it bigger too. So we see a sweep right here. That's the sweep right here. Then we get the swing high. That's right here. The swing low. And then let me get this picture back up. So we get the swing high, the swing low, and we create that zone. We then get a tap on the zone. So the tap right here. And then the break of structure after the tap. It's that simple. And then obviously standard deviation, and then 50%. Let's make this green. It's not something I want to trade because we're in this range right here. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry, I have this Discord open. I'm trying to remove it. There we go. There is something from my notes I wanted to take. Yes. No. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. I want to play some music too, just quietly. I like this setup. I just don't like how it's right below the initial balance. I need this to break for me to be interested in this. And I need like a full 1 minute close above, which I doubt will happen. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So we're just waiting for something to happen here. Mm, 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 mm. Sleep it. Dunk, 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 dunk. Mm, mm, mm. Oops. Nice. Okay. No, we just wait. Mm, 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 mm. So we're struggling to break this 15-minute high. The zone. Mm, mm. Let's see if the zone delivers. I don't want to take this just because the zone um is right above, and we're obviously respecting it, and we normally do. We've been rating so hard. Mm, all right. Dun, dun, dun. The zone's being respected. Just, I don't like it just because the zone's above. I'm not gonna take it. I would want to though. I'm like FOMOing for it, but there's no need for me to risk on it. Mm. Mm. show the setup that we're looking for. Yeah. Awesome. Boom. Oh. Hello, hello, hello. You want to show you the setup that we're looking for? It's so simple. I'll show you an example right here. We're looking for a sweep. After the sweep, we want to get the swing high and swing low and create a zone from there. So let me show you. We create a zone from that swing high and swing low. Then we want to tap on the zone. Tap on the zone. Then after the tap, we want to break a structure. After the break of structure, we want to make sure we reach 100% away, meaning two zones on top of each other. So 100% away. Then we would have our order at 50% with our take profit above and our stop one tick below. I can show you a real life example here on the left. We have a sweep right here. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. Let me move this. So we have a sweep right here. We then get the swing high and the swing low and create that zone. So that zone's created. We then get the tap, just like I just showed you. Let me show you the picture over here so you're not confused. The tap right here. Then the break of structure after the tap. Then we reach 100% away. Let me show you how we can check that. We grab the zone, duplicate it, make sure we reach 100%. Yep, 100% away. Then we have our order at 50%, with our take profit above, and our stop one tick below. One thing that I do is that if we get more than 2 taps on the zone and we get 3 taps, I take the order off. Okay. All right. Mm, 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 mm. All right, all right, all right. So what's up here? Oh, yeah, that reached 50%. Here, I'll put a text here. Gonna grab some grapes. I'll be right back. I'm gonna save that because I want to go get some grapes in a second. Hey, let me show you the setup since you're here. Easy. We're looking for a sweep. After the sweep, we get that swing high and swing low and we create a zone. Tap on the zone, break of structure, standard deviation, 50%. Okay, let's do it again. Going to grab some grapes. Be right back. Okay, leave it right there. I'll leave it like right here. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, BRB. fact, I have grapes. Mm-mm-mm. I'm not gonna take this zone right here because it's rejecting the high initial balance. But let's see if it delivers here. It just beats. It's too counter trend for me. This is the setup we're looking for. Looks like it's gonna deliver. This is what not have taken this. Yes, my stop would have been hit. Yeah, so I didn't take this because it was super counter trend. I'm gonna take a picture of this so I can document it. Mm, mm, mm. Why and no. What? Come on, buddy. Give me something clean. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I thought I saw something here, but obviously not. If you got any questions, please ask. I'd love to help you. If this looks confusing too, I can make it very, very easy or make it very simple. This is a setup we're looking for. I can explain it too. I'm just doing this, looking for the same pattern again and again. I have a real life example right here. You have to subscribe to talk in the chat though. We're just looking for the same pattern again. I'm on the 5 second time frame, which is crazy. But I see more opportunity on the 5 second time frame. This is the 1 minute above, and this is the 15 minute up here. And time frame means like how long it takes for this candles to form. So it takes 1 minute for these candles to form, takes 15 minutes for these candles to form, and then it takes 5 seconds for these candles to form. I'm just looking for this pattern. I'm just doing the same thing again and again and again and again. I have a mentorship too. You can get a free trial on it. It's 3 days. There's a course on there. It's not super beginner friendly, but if you need me to add more beginner stuff, but it does tell you how to get set up and get situated and what to look for and what to do exactly, how to journal, how to backtest, how to take advantage of my using my Discord, behaviors too. If you have behavior issues, substance abuse, like addictions, because everything can be trained. What else? There's something here. Hmm. Just the more cleaner tap. Tap isn't ideal. Mm, 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 mm. Swing high, swing low. We want a more clear tap. We didn't get one. If we get a tap late, we still need to break a structure. So we need to break this low right here. Um, so that even if we tapped right here, we still need the structure to break. Then we can enter at 50. But I doubt that's gonna happen. It's a whole lot of buffoonery. I see a zone here. Um, I'm not gonna take it. It's too ugly. Let's get rid of this too. But did you see the small tap right there? Price came up. It came back down. Maybe the line chart will show it. Yeah, you can see if you look real close. The tap. But it's like the first flip, super counter trend. That's something I want to take. This zone, that tap was real deep. Yeah, it's not something I want to take. I would only take this if we didn't break this high right here. If we didn't break this high, if like price did this, then maybe came back up a little bit. But if it didn't break this and then broke structure right here. Oh no, I broke structure right here actually. Um, then come back, then I'll take it. But obviously did not do that. We'd be so more. I want to be selective because there's just so much opportunity, and you shouldn't be taking 3 trades a day. It's just realistically, you should be taking 3 trades a week. So less is more. Mm-mm-mm. We'll just stay here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we see nothing so far. Looks like the zone delivered. It's pretty cool. Mm, 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 mm. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. My bad. Oh, seen nothing so far. This zone might hold for direction. Mm, 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 mm. Dun, dun. How?
But on, I'm just in the middle of planning some YouTube content for you guys, and I'd love some input on what you guys want me to make YouTube videos about so that you can grow your trading Discord, trading coaching, trading social media, stuff like that. So
Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, we're getting nothing so far. Dun, dun, dun. So, what do we see here? We see something. I would say it's counter trend though because pretty bearish. You know what? I might take it. We just need structure to break, obviously. That's what the tap. Mm, 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 mm. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Yeah, we seem so bullish. Oh, look, I see something here. So let's get rid of this. It's not the most cleanest sweep. Mm, it's not really a proper sweep. I might take it. Let's do long here. Short. 25. We can get a reaction before entering. I'll be interested. If we don't get a reaction, I'll take it off. I want to say it's not counter trend because we're so bullish. I'm pretty sure we're gonna take this high up here. My order is ready. Let me order ready. Boom, boom. Dun, dun, Mm. Down, down. Meow, meow, meow. Mm. Dappa, 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 down. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Dun, dun, mm. So I'm liking the setup more and more and more. We're breaking this high up here. Just currently doing a bunch of outreach. If you're rewatching the live stream, a little tip to see when I take a trade is to see if you see me pull up the Notion, the journal. I'll like bring it to here and I'll start typing on the journal. Like then you can rewind it a bit to see where I took the trade and why I took it and whatnot. I normally do explain. So I like this play because it's not counter trend, it's with the trend. We broke this high. Ideally, I want it to come back and fill me. Draw this zone out. It's getting nothing right now. Mm, 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 mm. Sorry, I'm doing a bunch of outreach here. If you want, I can show you what we're looking for. I have my order here. See, let me just send this one message real quick. Then I'll show you right now what we're looking for. And you can see I have my order here. Let me know if you want my help. But it's undelivered. It's pretty cool. I would not have taken it though because it got too close to 40%. Also, there's no clear tap. I want this. I like it. I'm afraid that we're just gonna fly down because we didn't fully get above. Well, we did body close above it, so. Mm, 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 mm. Bum, 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 bum. Mm, 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 mm. Welcome to the live stream. Let me show you. Look, this will show you the setup we're looking for. It's so simple. It's super mechanical. Mechanicalized everything. I have a whole bunch of YouTube videos. My shorts teach it. I have a mentorship. There's a free trial on it. We're looking for the same thing again and again. See the little candles here? I can turn it to lines. So you see these lines? We're looking for the same pattern again and again and again. Look right here. We're getting a swing high and a swing low, just like this right here. Up, down, a swing high, swing low. We're looking for a sweep. After the sweep, we get that swing high and swing low, and we create a zone. We create a zone. Make it green, just make that so it's not complex. After we create the zone, we want to tap on the zone. I'll also show you a real life example shortly. So we have a tap on the zone. After the tap, we want it to break structure. So just as like this example over here, swing high, the swing low, the sweep, the tap on the zone, and the breakage structure after the tap, just like right here. We want it to reach 100% away from the zone. So just two zones on top of each other. So like these two squares, two zones on top of each other. So 100% away. And then we would put our order at 50%, just like I have it here. I have my order at 50%. And I have my take profit, where I would take profit at, up here. And my stop would be one tick below. And the only reason I'll take my order off is if we bounce on the zone more than 2 times. So if it bounces 3 times, we take the order off. So here's a real life example. We can go over it. Let me get rid of these drawings here. I can turn this into a line chart so it's easier to see also. So like if I turn this into lines, see the lines right here? We'll put it back to the candles. I can teach you all of this. It's not complicated at all. You're just looking for the same pattern again and again and again. So then I get that swing high, that swing low, the sweep. I create the zone. We get the tap, the breakage structure after the tap. We reach 100% away. So look, I can grab the zone, duplicate it, 100% away. Then I have my order at 50%. And I would only take my order off is if we tap a bunch like this up here. We tap more than 2 times. No. Actually, let's go back all the way. There he goes. Nice. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Hmm. Dun, dun, dun. Let me see if I can do something here. How do I get to verified? Single nothing. There was this play, but it's super counter trend. That's not a play. Yeah, we're seeing nothing here. Let's get yes. Ooh, continue. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. badge. Exclusive stickers. Nice. Keep it secure with advanced protection. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Still nothing. Yo, 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 yo. Let me show you what we're looking for. Super simple. Currently, I see nothing playing out. Just doing a lot of staring and watching. So let me show you. We're looking for the same pattern again and again. Ah, cars. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Yo, welcome to live stream. Yo, let me show you what we're looking for. It's the same thing again and again and again. Sorry, I was doing outreach right now. It's a bit distracted. So let me show you. I trade the 5 second time frame. This is the 1 minute. This is the 15 minute. These candles, meaning just every 5 seconds a candle's form. The candles up here, every 1 minute candles form. And then this lines right here, we turn this to a line chart here. See these lines? This example I'm going to show you. So I call it NNT. What we're doing is we're looking for a sweep. There's a sweep right here. I'll show you a more real life example shortly. We're looking for a sweep right here. Then we're gonna get that swing high, that swing low, and create a zone after that sweep. So let's create a zone. So easy. We're looking for the same pattern again and again and again. Let's make it green. Then we want to tap on the zone just like this, a tap. Then after the tap, we want to break of structure. So breaking structure after the tap. And then our last requirement is we want price to reach 100% away, meaning two zones on top of each other. So this green zone times two. And when we reach 100% away, we put our order at 50%, with our take profit, the line above, and our stop one tick below. So let me show you a real life example. Let me see if I see any setups so far right now. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'll show you a real life example right now. So look, check this out. We see a sweep right here. We get the swing high, the swing low. Price comes out, taps on the zone, then breaks structure. Tapped on the zone, broke structure. Then it reached 100% away. So let's grab this zone and duplicate it. Yeah, it reached 100% away. Then I have my order at 50%. This thing tells me how much to risk because I risk $200 per trade. So I have my order here at 50%. And if you want to see yesterday's results too, using what I'm doing is trading a prop firm. They give you capital to trade, and after you make X amount, they give you money to trade on your own. So then you're not using your own money to trade. So look, I'm already yesterday I did 143, and the day before that I did around 400. I was super sick this week. I shouldn't have traded. My setup did deliver this day, but I was trying to go for more, but I was just too sick to be trading in the first place. I'm going to pass this combine live. When you pass a combine, you have real capital to trade. So I'm just showing improving proof of concept. So I only took two trades this day, and then I took 3 trades this day. I stop at 3 trades or I stop at 2 losses. And I only risk $200 per trade. So I'm doing the same thing again and again and again. Let's see. So like this setup right here, this tap wasn't super clean, but so I'm not going to take it. But there's a sweep right here. Get the swing high and the swing low, create the zone, the tap on the zone. So then the break of structure after the tap. And then we would put our order at 50% with our take profit above and our stop below. And I'm super, super duper duper selective. That's how I maintain a high win rate. I'm just so selective. I have a mentorship that I offer. I have a free 3-day trial on the mentorship that has a course on there. So you can just blow through the course. And if you want to cancel it and it's not for you, cancel it. But I really, in the mentorship, I just encourage 2 calls a month. And I get you all set up and how to get everything moving. And also, if you're like a real beginner and you just don't really understand at all, I can make a video and just teach you. It's so simple. It's not complicated at all. It might look complex right now, but like if I just make this a line chart, it'll just look so simple. We're just looking for the same pattern. And I call it NNT, new name trading. So I'm kind of just waiting for the setup to hit, but I don't think it's going to. On the higher time frame, so every candle gets formed every 5 seconds here. Every candle gets formed every 1 minute. Every candle gets formed every 15 minutes. We're at the highest we've ever reached, basically in the stock market. I trade NASDAQ. I don't know if you ever heard of like S&P 500. It's the top 500 stocks all bundled in one. Right now we're at all-time highs at the moment. So I'm not really finding a setup. And December is really known for having bad price action. So I'm just being more selective with my trades. A lot of people don't even trade December just because how bad the price action is. But I have a strategy that's so mechanical, so I can still find setups, opportunities in this market. If you have questions, please ask. I love to help. I enjoy doing this. I love teaching. I love helping. Hmm. You have to subscribe though to comment on the chat. And I have a bunch of YouTube videos where I go over the strategy, where I backtest. Backtesting is just trading historic data, so like you're practicing again and again and again. Also, too, with the mentorship, I have a section where we go over behaviors, like see where you're lacking at in behaviors, uh, like time management, accountability, other things, substance abuse, even like you have addictions to instant gratification, basically just like dopamine addictions. Because whatever, if your life is chaotic outside the screens, it's going to be chaotic behind the screens. Um, a lot of traders fail. I don't know if you know, like about 98% of traders don't succeed. It's mostly because they just have no direction. Like they have no one to teach them. They never get a mentor. They're never taught like what to do, and they're kind of just guessing. And I did that for 6 years. I just ran in circles for 6 years, like not understanding what to do. The new viewer, I can show you the setup again, and then maybe even the current viewers want to see the setup. I'll show you right now. Just give me 1 second. Let me clean this up. Go over it one more time. Also, the setup works for the downside. So you're basically just betting price is gonna go up or betting price is gonna go down. Hold on, let me see if I see anything right here. No, that's not ideal. Okay, let me show you the setup. We're just looking for this pattern again and again and again. I'll go over it slowly with you, and for the ones that already went over this with me, maybe you can practice again. So we're looking for the sweep. What is a sweep? It's when we take a low like this. So the sweep happened right here. Then all these ups and downs are swing highs and swing lows. This is a swing high, this is a swing low. Swing high, swing low. Swing high, swing low. What is this? Take a guess. Swing high. What is this? Take a guess. Swing low. Okay? So we're going to get that swing high and swing low after the sweep. So get the swing high and swing low. We're going to create a zone. So the zone gets created. We then want to tap on the zone. So we have a tap here. And after the tap, we want to break a structure. So right here, structure is broken. Just like how the sweep happened right here, the same thing to the other side. It gets broken. Then our last requirement before we enter is we want price to reach 100% away from the zone. So meaning two zones on top of each other. So if I were just to duplicate this and it'll just be stacked on top. I didn't do the drawing correctly, but just pretend that it's past 100% away. Then after 100% away, we would put our order at 50% and put our take profit on the line above, our stop one tick below. And so price would enter, I would get filled at 50%. I would put my take profit above, and I would put my stop below. So if price came and hit my stop, I'm taking out. If price came up and take profit, my take profit gets hit. I would only take my order off if we tap on the zone more than 2 times. And I can show you a real life example here. Let me see if I see any setups right now. I do not. Okay. So let me show you a real life example here. Let me get rid of this. It's not distracting. There it goes. So you see, I'll make this a line. So see these lines right here? All these swing highs, swing lows. There's so many swing highs and swing lows because I trade the 5 second, meaning that a candle's formed every 5 seconds. Up here's a 1 minute, candles form every 1 minute. So I get the swing high, I get the swing low after the sweep, and I create that zone. So price comes out, taps on the zone. See how it taps on the zone? Then it breaks structure. It broke structure right here. Then we want price to reach 100% away. So let me make this green. I'll show you right here. Control CV, 100% away. It did. So we put our order at 50%. Now I'd only take my order off if we tap. If we came down and tapped 1, 2, I'll keep my order on. But if we tap a third time, I'll take my order off. I'm just looking for the same pattern again and again and again. I do nothing different. And this also works for the downside. If you want me to do a downside drawing, I can show you. And that's basically it. And I'm just sitting and watching. But like I said earlier, we're at all-time highs right now, so I'm not seeing any setups. But more than likely, we might get one tomorrow or get one later in the day. And I only trade from 9:40 Central Time to 11, and I trade on the 5-second time frame. It's really, really low. And for the new viewers, I can show you real quick. I'm trading a combine, basically meaning that I take a test, and this test proves that I can trade. And if I pass the test, they give me real money to trade with. So let me show you. I'm gonna pass this combine on the live streams. My performance, I took 3 trades this day. I took 2 trades this day. And then this day doesn't count. I was super duper sick. I shouldn't have been trading in the first place. And I wasn't going live yet. So I'm just going to pass on the live. This has 7 trades because the amount of contracts I'm using. But if you look at the times, it's only 3 trades. Or I mean, only 2 trades. I'm sorry. And I did these live. So I'm just super selective. That's how I maintain a high win rate. Let's see. Let me get rid of this drawing here. Let me clean all this up. Let's see. Ooh, I didn't didn't see that my order disappeared. I gotta move that. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let's take my order off because we're just way too far away from it. Um, so yeah, I don't see if I see anything to the downside. Yeah, this tap is way too deep. But the downside, the same thing. Looking for the sweep. So we get the swing high, the swing low. Price comes out. You would want to tap and then break structure after the tap. Then we would enter at 50%, have our stop above and our take profit below. And all these lines that you see everywhere, like up here, all this buffoonery, just gives me an idea of market direction so I know where we're going. So I know if we're going up or if we're going down. So if I'm taking a play to the downside and we're going up, then I know the play is counter trend, which is lower probability. So I know better to avoid counter trend trades. Let's send this out. Like I said earlier, December has pretty bad price action. We're not seeing anything right now. Um, I normally, if I don't see nothing, or if I hit the day at break even, or if I have a loss, or if I have one loss, I'll trade the afternoon session from 12:30 to 1:30 Central Time. I don't normally trade it live. There's like no need for me. But if you want me to trade it live, I happily would. But what I normally do, I'll just record that afternoon session, and I'll just make a YouTube video with it. I'm just trying to like pump out content so I need to grow my socials. It's all new to me, so I don't really understand how to do exactly. But I think I'm getting my foot in the door with growing my social medias. I normally try real hard to be off my phone, so it's like very contradicting trying to stay on and then doing outreach and all stuff. But yeah, I have the video description too. It teaches the strategy more in depth. I have the mentorship also. There's free trial on there. That's basically it. There's not much more. So I'm just sitting around waiting for the setup. And it works on any time frame in any market. I just highly recommend futures and using prop firms just because the opportunity we have nowadays. You don't have to use your own capital. So why would you use your own capital now? And especially using the strategy is so mechanical. I know a lot of traders fail because they just have no direction. But yeah, we're getting nothing. I just like see nothing so far. I'll make this red. I normally leave these zones up just so I can understand direction. So I see the these orange lines is initial balance. It's the first hour high and low. So as soon as the market opens, an hour after the market is open, I mark the high and low. So this orange line, and I make the zone. So we broke, and it looks like we're coming back down already. And we're also have created, we're at all-time high right now. So we're more than likely going to come back down. This is very predictable. I've been sitting behind these screens trading mostly every day since last year, October. I've missed maybe like 2 weeks, like max. Like I've showed up every day. And even the days like I don't trade, I still go back and look and see how price action was that day. Um, because I just like been so honed on wanting to master this. And yeah, that's it. Now it's like it gets really boring because like I'm just doing the same thing again. So I just watch YouTube and I was like, why don't I just live stream and try running a mentorship? I enjoy teaching, I enjoy helping. So we're here now. If you have questions, please ask. I'd love to give you any guidance. If you still don't understand and all this looks complex, ask me. I'll hold your hand through it. It's so easy. Like these candles right here, like if you don't fully understand what's going on, um, think of it as tug of war. One person, there's buyers and sellers. So sellers, these are arrows. I'm sorry, they're ugly, but buyers are pulling the price up. Sellers are pulling the price down. It's just constant tug of war. That's what's going on right here. These blue candles are pulling the price down. So they're fighting. They're pulling. And then these white candles are pulling up. So buyers are pulling up, pulling up. So just constant tug of war. So what I'm doing is my strategy, um, like let me show you down here. This constant tug of war. When we leave the zone, we have orders sitting in the middle of the zone. So, for example, to the upside, buyers are sitting in this zone and they're waiting to get filled. So when price comes into the zone, all the buyers get filled and then price gets shot up. You'll see a lot of the times too. Let me delete all these drawings so I can not all confused. You see it a lot of times. Um, like price will come all the way down and get real close just to scare you. It's filling all those buyers and then come right back up. And there's times too where you'll see it'll come out and hit your stop and then come back up. That's normally when we do counter trend trades, so we want to stay with the trend. It's so simple. And then see all these lines. See, I have, like, if I show you, this is a 15-minute. Let me make it bigger for you. So look, if I turn this into a line chart, you see a lot less. Uh, Man, I wish I can hide these drawings, but you see these swing highs and swing lows, like swing high, swing low, swing high. It's a lot less swing highs and swing lows on the higher time frame. But I trade such a small time frame. Um, I have so many swing highs and swing lows, but that gives me more opportunities, so I get more trades. I'm just doing the same thing again and again. It's so simple. And backtesting, once again, is trading historic data. So you're just practicing. So in the mentorship, what I would tell you to do, I would just tell you to backtest on the same program that you trade on and do the same thing that you would do live. So you'd backtest, so you practice, 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 practice. And I promise you, if you just really focus on this for 2 weeks, you would just master the strategy because everything's so mechanical. And especially if I'm your mentor, like I'm going to help you. Within 2 weeks, you would understand the strategy, you master it. Then I would put you on the combine, the prop firm, where you would practice, like you would actually trade, like what I'm doing now. You would pass the combine, then you'd be given real capital to trade with. And then, with the prop firm that I'm with, it's Top Step. The first, I think, 10K is yours, and then the rest they take 10% of whatever you make. Hello, Money Glitch. How are you? I hope you're still not in drawdown, buddy. Have you taken any trades today yet or no? And I know you don't limit your trades, but if you do, you really need to limit them. Uh, what I do is I do 3 trades on the day or 2 losses. Then I stop. And I risk 200 per trade. It was real selective. Have you found any setups, Money Glitch, or no? I really haven't found nothing. I found one setup, but we got way too far away from it. I can show you where it's at if you want to see. I know you also trade the 5-second. See, let me show you. Let me get rid of these drawings here. Here's the setup I've been looking at. It's not the cleanest sweep either, but price got way too far away. I didn't trade today. Yeah, there's no point in trading today. I know there was news too earlier. It was, yeah, CPI. Price action just hasn't been good at all. It's pretty predictable though. I have these orange, these orange lines, these blue lines, when they're so far away, it indicates that the day is going to be bad on price action, and that's basically what happened. We just had bad price action all day. Let me see. I kind of want to show y'all something too. Oh, never mind. I can't. Just about. I have these squares that tell me when a zone is invalid. So if price crosses this red line, then comes up and crosses this blue line, then the zone becomes mitigated, meaning the zone is no longer tradable. So let's get this, make this back to green. So what I'll see is that it'll mitigate it, and then it'll touch the blue, then it'll slice right through. When that happens, I take my order off. It kind of sucks because like I want to take a trade and then I see it mitigate it. I'm just like, take the order off and just wait for another play. Let's see what happens here. So it's filling 50%, 50% right now. I didn't take this because the tap was not clear. I want a way more clear tap. This one more likely might not deliver because what I just told you about the mitigation. So yeah, let me show you one more time. Let's do main here. So we cross this red line, blue line, that zone becomes mitigated, take my order off. So like I'll see price come back in, fill 50% and kind of play with me and then take my stop. Oh, but look, it filled. The zone delivered. That's pretty cool. Let's make it green. See if this holds. I don't really see anything at all still. Everything has been real sloppy and ugly. Yeah, that tap is too deep. Oh man. But yeah. My cutoff time is 11. I don't think I'm gonna find anything. Hopefully we do. And I'll be back at it at 12:30 to 1:30. Hmm. We see nothing. I might end it early though. We'll see. I'm kind of expecting price to sweep then drop, and then I'll be interested in something because it seems like we're gonna have a giant drop soon. Let me extend this out. Mm-mm. Yeah, doing a whole lot of nothing. I don't think we have any news later, do we? Yeah, we don't. Yo. So yeah. Y'all, if y'all have questions, please ask. I'd love to help. I just ended early because I doubt we're gonna something get created here. Just don't want to miss anything though. Waited out 25 minutes. I'm taking no trades yet. I haven't seen nothing. What about here? No. It kind of sucks taking those like super small zones because have to use so many contracts and all the fees on all those contracts. We gotta pay to play. Yeah, nothing. I see something. No, that's not tradable. Right here. Yeah, that's not tradable. Hmm. About this? No. Womp womp womp. I think I want to hop off then. Thank you so much for those who are stayed and watched. Thank you so much, Bunny Glitch, for popping in. It was nice seeing you. Your losses should be due to probability and not emotions. Keep grinding. Don't give up. And make sure you're backtesting. Don't stop backtesting. Don't stop journaling. Let me wrap this journal up too. So, took no trades in the morning. More likely gonna come back in the afternoon. Um, but alrighty, and that's it. Just gonna I'll leave this blank because I might trade afternoon, so we'll see what happens. I'll post my results in Discord. All right, I'll T2YL. All right, thank you so much for watching once again. Okay, I'll T2YL. All right, I'm hopping off.